What HACCP principle is being practiced when food handlers rewash melons that have surface dirt? Monitoring. B. Corrective action. C. Critical control point. D. Critical limit. The correct answer is B. Corrective action. When transporting food offsite, how should information such as a use-by date and time be communicated to the offsite staff? Verbal instructions. B. Labels on food. C. Text or email message. D. Telephone. The correct answer is B. Labels on food. What is the purpose of setting critical limits in a HACCP plan? To identify where hazards can be eliminated. B. To identify potential hazards. C. To reduce hazards to safe levels. D. To determine if the HACCP plan is working. The correct answer is A. To identify where hazards can be eliminated. What is the third step in cleaning and sanitizing items in a 3-compartment sink? Air drying. B. Washing. C. Rinsing. D. Sanitizing. The correct answer is C. Rinsing. What temperature must cooked vegetables reach to be safely hot-held for service? 155 degrees 68 degrees Celsius. B. 135 degrees 57 degrees Celsius. C. 165 degrees 74 degrees Celsius. D. 145 degrees 63 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is B. 135 degrees 57 degrees Celsius. What type of thermocouple probe should be used to check the internal temperature of a beef roast? Immersion. B. Penetration. C. D. Surface. The correct answer is B. Penetration. What type of eggs must be used when preparing raw or undercooked dishes for high-risk populations? Pasteurized. B. Shelled. C. Pooled. D. Hard-boiled. The correct answer is A. Pasteurized. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for a veal chop? 165 degrees 74 degrees Celsius. B. 155 degrees 68 degrees Celsius. C. 135 degrees 57 degrees Celsius. D. 145 degrees 63 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is D. 145 degrees 63 degrees Celsius. Metal shavings are which type of contaminant? Physical. B. Biological. C. Microbial. D. Chemical. The correct answer is A. Physical. Why should food temperatures be taken in 2 different locations? It is required by the manufacturer. B. To ensure the thermometer is calibrated correctly. C. To ensure the thermometer is accurate to plus or minus 2 degrees or plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. D. Temperature may vary in the food. The correct answer is D. Temperature may vary in the food. Which action requires a food handler to change gloves? The food handler is working with raw seafood at temperatures above 41 degrees 5 degrees Celsius. B. The food handler is wearing gloves that have been torn. C. The food handler has been working with raw ground beef for an hour. D. The food handler is prepping raw chicken on a yellow cutting board. The correct answer is B. The food handler is wearing gloves that have been torn. Parasites are commonly associated with eggs, B. Seafood, C. Potatoes, D. Ready-to-eat food. The correct answer is B. Seafood. TCS food reheated for hot holding must reach what temperature? 165 degrees 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. B. 135 degrees 57 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. C. 155 degrees 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. D. 145 degrees 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. The correct answer is A. 165 degrees 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. What should a food handler do to make gloves easier to put on? Select the correct size gloves. B. Sprinkle flour in the gloves. C. Blow into gloves. D. Roll the gloves up. The correct answer is A. Select the correct size gloves. Which item should be rejected? Live oysters at 50 degrees, 10 degrees Celsius. B. Shell eggs at an air temperature of 45 degrees, 7 degrees Celsius. C. Bottled milk at 41 degrees, 5 degrees Celsius. D. Bags of organic cookies in torn packaging. The correct answer is D. Bags of organic cookies in torn packaging. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for green beans that are hot held for service? 155 degrees 68 degrees Celsius. B. 165 degrees 74 degrees Celsius. C. 135 degrees 57 degrees Celsius. D. 145 degrees 63 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is C. 135 degrees 57 degrees Celsius.